Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles easy. Preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease it with oil or butter. Whisk dry ingredients in one bowl and wet ingredients in another, then combine until just mixed. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes while you heat the iron. Pour measured batter, cook until golden and crisp, and serve immediately with fruit, syrup, or whipped cream. For easy waffles, simple ingredient swaps make a big difference. Use room temperature eggs and milk so the batter mixes smoothly and traps air better. Replace half the melted butter with oil to maintain crisp edges while keeping the interior tender. A teaspoon of sugar helps with browning without making waffles overly sweet. Gentle mixing prevents toughness, and a short 5-minute rest improves texture before cooking to golden perfection. Consistent waffles come from consistent technique and timing. Use a ladle or a 3/4 cup scoop to portion batter so each waffle cooks evenly. Resist the urge to open the iron too soon, because that causes tearing and uneven centers. Wait until steam nearly stops and the edges look set before lifting the lid. Transfer finished waffles to a wire rack to keep them crisp while you finish the rest for perfect texture all around.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.